Hey everyone, HVAC repair guy here. I've spent over 17 years in the trade as a technician, installer, and contractor, plus time as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are looking at two high-end variable speed heat pumps to help you figure out which one belongs outside your home: the Airease A7CP21V and the Carrier Infinity 23 model 27VNA3. Starting with build quality, both of these outdoor cabinets are built right here in the United States. They both come equipped with heavy-duty louvered coil guards to protect the delicate aluminum fins from hail, yard debris, and stray balls. Both feature factory-installed compressor sound blankets to keep noise down. From a purely mechanical cabinet perspective, both manufacturers put together a rugged shell meant to handle years of severe weather. When we turn to winter performance, heating capacity is rated by HSPF, or Heating Seasonal Performance Factor. Think of HSPF like gas mileage for your heating system. The higher the number, the more heat you get for every watt of electricity consumed. The Airease A7CP21V comes in with an HSPF rating of 10, while the Carrier Infinity 23 comes in at 9.5. Both of these are top-tier scores that will handle cold climate winter heating smoothly while keeping your electric bills down. But the Airease holds a slight edge on raw paper efficiency. On the summer side, both of these units operate as high-efficiency air conditioners, giving you precise all-season cooling and heating. Under the hood, both systems utilize inverter-driven variable-speed compressors and variable-speed outdoor condenser fans. Variable-speed technology allows the compressor to adjust its output in tiny increments, running almost continuously at lower speeds to match your home's exact heat loss or gain. That means elimination of hot and cold spots, superior humidity removal during humid summers, lower electrical draw on startup, and significantly reduced mechanical wear. Noise level is one area where you will notice a huge real-world difference between these two units. The Airease A7CP21V operates between 63 and 68 decibels, which is roughly equivalent to a dishwasher running or a normal conversation. On the other hand, the Carrier Infinity 23 drops as low as 53 decibels, which is as quiet as moderate rainfall or a soft background murmur in a quiet library. Looking at manufacturing backgrounds, Airease is built by Allied Air Enterprises, a division of Lennox International, while Carrier is manufactured by Carrier Global Corporation, one of the oldest and largest names in the industry. When it comes to installed pricing, you are looking at two different investment levels. A complete installation for the Airease A7CP21V generally lands between $8,000 and $11,000 depending on labor and complexity. The Carrier Infinity 23 is a premium flagship system, and real-world installed prices for a full setup typically run between $13,500 and $21,000 plus. On warranty coverage, both brands back their equipment with a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. However, Carrier adds a 10-year unit replacement warranty, which means if the compressor suffers a major failure during the first 10 years, Carrier replaces the entire outdoor unit. If I am standing in your driveway giving you my honest recommendation, the Carrier Infinity 23 takes the win. While the Airease gives you a slightly higher HSPF and a lower upfront cost, the Carrier Infinity 23 gives you whisper quiet, 53 decibel operation, proven overall comfort control, and the peace of mind that comes with a full 10-year unit replacement warranty.